of social media in buying decisions has increased rapidly by the year 2020. According to recent surveys, social media is the initial point of contact for clients with your company. In addition, customers are much more likely to find your brand through social media than from a search engine. As a result, optimizing your social platforms is more crucial than ever. It guarantees that you are reaching and engaging your intended audience. Undoubtedly, social media is a data depot. To elevate your brand, you must invest in relevant social media analytics tools to make the best judgments possible and optimize your campaign. So, if you are looking to invest in the best social media analytics tool, here is a video. I'll provide you with a compiled list of the best 5 social media analytics tools to assist you in finding the ideal tool tailored for your specific requirements. But before I begin, I would like you to subscribe to Propel Guru and like the video. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. So without further ado, let's get started. The first social media analytics tool, Google Analytics, is not hidden by anyone. Google Analytics is known for monitoring the web performance of your website. However, it also provides a wealth of information regarding social media platforms. It can track social media traffic sources for your website. Also, Google Analytics takes care of the conversions from social media posts as well. Second on the list is Sprout Social. It is an easy choice for our list due to the requirement of cross-channel social media analytics. With Sprout Social, you can track Facebook page impressions, Twitter link clicks, Instagram follower growth, LinkedIn engagement, Pinterest article performance, and much more. Hubspot is the third social media analytics tool that I'll be discussing. You can connect social media performance to business and revenue growth using HubSpot's analytics tool. With HubSpot, you can measure campaign performance by comparing the performance of several social media channels. The fourth social media analytics tool is BuzzSumo. It is a fantastic social media tool for determining how well a piece of content is performing on social media. This social media analytics tool can tell you how many people shared your most recent blog article on Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. You can observe which posts garner the most interaction by analyzing social shares and using that information to create your content strategy. The last social media analytics tool on the list is BrandWatch. It gathers internet mention from various sources, including social media, discussion forums, blogs, news sites, etc. This social media analytics tool will assist the users in gathering the data about authors of mentions, interests, analyzing the image, helps in creating automated reports, and much more. Social media analytics tool will help you understand your competitors' social media performance. This allows you to keep track of their actions, marketing initiatives, client feedback, and much more. It is a fantastic source of business information. There is no one-size-fits-all solution for the finest social media tools. Your best bet is to scrutinize each choice, choose what best suits your needs, and test them out. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Propel Guru's YouTube channel for more such informative content, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.